Hey guys, it's Freddy here. Here being the camera person
No,
today.
it's hey, it is Freddy.
Yeah, Foxy. Sorry guys. It's hey, it's Friday. Hey, sorry. I'm just still pretty tired. Sorry about that. But Foxy's right in front of me. You can't see him on the camera because we switched it around. There's a glimpse of him. A quick glimpse. Stop bunny earring me. Stop.
Peace.
Foxy. Yeah. And then quick glimpse of Toy Chica. And now the thing is my mouth. Ow. I hate the thing. I hate the record button.
Look.
Sorry, we're watching a movie.
Oh. Okay, this will be a challenge. Like, cover my face to where it only shows my mouth. I got it.
Okay.
Okay, point the camera at me. Okay, guys, this is gonna be a challenge. Fidget spinner to teeth. Ah! Yeah, don't try that at home.
Don't try that at home.
Okay, fidget spinner to forehead. Let's do it.
Okay.
Fidget spinner to forehead, guys. Oh!
Do not try this stuff at home. Do not. Don't try it at home.
Oh my god. Okay, this is the final finale. Fidget spinner to eye.
Oh god.
Oh!
Oh god.
Okay, last one. This is the very last one.
Fidget spinner to what?
Ah! Just kidding, I didn't feel a thing. I'm gonna do fidget spinner to toe. Okay.
Fidget
Point
spinner
at
to
my
toe. It's pointing at your foot.
Oh! God dang! Don't try the foot one at home. Don't try any other one at home.
Don't try the facial one.
Just try the foot one. It hurts though.
He's very fragile.
Really?
What? It hurt you really bad.
Okay. Ultimate challenge. Leap over you challenge. Set the camera.
Leap over you.
Okay. Okay, guys. We did it!
One more time. This way.
For YouTube.
Yeah. Oh my god. That was funny.
Well, guys, yeah.
Hey, be careful with the camera. Oh, I don't. Yeah, well, the camera guy is going to use the bathroom. Bright light.
Don't worry, Mama. I won't let us stop.
Yeah, guys, so you just saw that. It might have hurt you really, really badly.
You've got some nerve coming here.
Yeah. Guys. Yeah. We're just watching this. Wait a little bit. And there's the piggies.
Okay, so this is going to be the end of this video. In a few minutes, we're going to be playing a game of hide and go seek. Bye.
Bye.